Good morning, this is Jeff over at Mark Jacobson Toyota. I'm bringing to you today the Highlander XLE in Blizzard Pearl with black interior. As you can see, the vehicle does have the power lift gate in back. We can actually raise it and lower it from our key fob. As well, we can have the buttons to push on the vehicle to do the same. Let you get a side view of the car. You see it has those nice alloy wheels. Nice look from the side. Chrome accents for the racks up top. It does have a sunroof to it. This vehicle does feature the blind spot monitors. We do have the keyless entry here. Nice black leather interior here. Power seat for the driver and for the passenger, and the driver's seat does have the lumbar support. So real quick, let me give you a look at what you're going to see from the inside of this vehicle. As you can see, this particular vehicle does have 5 miles. Toyota has actually looked at the vehicles, redesigning, keeping all the controls here on the steering wheel for the driver. We do have heated seats, our AC, our touch screen for our multimedia center, and we do have CD player here as well. We have an auto dimming mirror. We can program in garage door 1, 2, and 3. And of course, we have a great sunroof here. So from the driver's seat, this is what we normally want to look at from our mid. Again, we can make most of our controls right here from the steering wheel on the car. We have our cruise control. We have our down rear cruise control, so I can set my following distance. I can set a 3.5 car length with 3 bars. I can set a 3 car following length or 1.5 with the 1 bar. Have the lane departure alerts, automatic high beams. I can place a call, hang up a call, control my volume, go through my presets for my communication, my radio. I have the AM, FM, and XM band too. So those are just a couple basics on the XLE Highlander. If you have any questions, please give Jeff a call at 919-323-0886. Thank you.